All right, here we go. Level number 4 of Limitless. 2-mile run. I haven't been running in so long. This is crazy. I've been doing a little bit of working out indoors, but here we go. 2-mile run. This is the before, and I'll talk to you after. Crazy view. Oh, what a run. All right. Hold on, let me see. I think there's a break coming up. You can see some more. Sorry if the breathing's loud. Here we go. Oh, shoot. Saved it. Almost dropped the phone. There you go. Look at that view. We are 0.8 miles into the run. And look what I found. Oh man. They've got it completely blocked off though. But anyway, let's see what you can see. Oh man, what a great view. Can't wait till we can actually use that. All right, it is official. There you go. 2.09 miles actually. Woo! My legs are on fire. It feels so good though. Like this energy, I feel this tingle in my head. I'm feeling limitless. Oh my gosh, it just feels so good. Even though it's so hard, I didn't realize that the hills in my neighborhood were that freaking steep. So, but that was super exciting. Had a blast. Definitely get on this Limitless game. It is way cool, way fun. Don't forget to sign up for Salesvision. Join my team, www.winwithryan.com. www.winwithryan.com, and come live this limitless life. It is out of control. Right now, I'd be so bored if it wasn't for this game. I'll tell you what, stuck in my house in quarantine, but I don't even care because I got so many games to play. Come join me. Talk to you soon. See you in the group. Bye. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple different sources and on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me on in increasing quantities on a continuous basis from multiple different sources. Have a great day.